dude, check this out. Come on, guys. Woo! Yeah! Oh, man, I fucking love it. Man, the kid inside never dies. Oh man, this road is bumpy. It's really, really bumpy. Oh man, my suspension is not cut out for this. And it's smooth. And back to bumpy. Oh, Brazos River, just around the river bend. And people are wondering how I got 11,000 miles on my bike in like 7 months. That way? What? Ah, let's go this way. Oh, fuck, what the way was that, dude? Oh, you hold out 2 fingers, you stick them out to the side, not a, I'm gonna shove them up your ass motion.